Hello, Sarah Coyle here with Pulse. I am going to talk with you about record clearing. If you have a criminal record, it is a good idea to get your criminal record cleared as much as possible, and there are several ways that we can do that. The first way is sealing. There's a law in Pennsylvania called clean slate, which means that records that are non-conviction or some summaries and misdemeanors can be sealed. So what sealing does is it means that most people are not able to view these records publicly. The people that will still be able to view these records are law enforcement, district attorneys, and some employers if they use FBI background checks. So sealing is good, but it is not perfect. The next step in criminal record clearing is going to be expungement. What expungement does is deletes the record. It makes it illegal for anyone to have this information. It totally disappears from the world. Things that are expungible generally are only non-convictions. That's the law here in Pennsylvania. There are 4 loopholes. If you have a conviction for underage drinking and you later turn 21, that's all you have to do is turn 21, then that will be expunged or can be expunged. If you have a conviction for a summary offense and you have gone 5 years without being arrested, then you can have that summary offense conviction expunged. If you are 70 years old and you have gone 10 years without being arrested, then you may be able to have those convictions from before you were 60 expunged. The fourth and final loophole is that if you have convictions and you want them expunged, you can die and then wait 3 years. You have to do both. You have to die and then wait 3 years, and then you will have the opportunity to have those convictions expunged. The other thing that is important to remember about expungement is although you may have a conviction, it's likely that you were not convicted of every single charge you were charged with on that case. So it's possible that you could seek something called a partial expungement, which would mean that everything you weren't convicted of would come off of your record and the only thing remaining would be the charge that you were convicted of. Now, if you have convictions, once you've sealed and expunged everything you can, the next option is a pardon. A pardon is a forgiveness that the governor offers, which means we do not erase this record, but we forgive you for what's happened, and that will then make you eligible for an expungement if you receive a pardon. And those are the basics of how to clear your record in Pennsylvania.